incredible opportunity awaits knowledge givers. Do you agree? An incredible opportunity awaits knowledge givers. The environment is facilitating. We have the generous king internet. You know, knowledge givers. Apna time aa gaya. Apna time aa gaya. Knowledge will be valued. Knowledge givers will get what they deserve. It's time to significantly transform the way you are generating your income. Right? And we have looked, it is possible. There is no shortcut. Though I'm a shortcut person, but let me tell you, there is no shortcut to success. There is no shortcut to success. It requires perseverance. It requires hard work. It requires a never give up attitude. It requires you to relentlessly pursue what you want to do, even if you fail, even if nobody supports you. Because if you keep moving in the direction that you believe you are here for, you will have challenges across different levels in your journey. So it's time to turn your passion into profits, right? So what you need to do right now, shift from offline to online business models. And as a knowledge giver, your inventory is you, your knowledge. You don't have inventory cost, right? So it's time to create your first high converting online digital product and understand the process, become truly independent, reduce your recurring cost, be on your own. So when we started this session on day one, a lot of you would have a lot of doubts, queries, how all these things work, right? So your skill level in this space was low. Do you agree? Your skill level was low, right? Across these 5 days, do you agree that your skill level has gone up? It's subjective. It may have gone up drastically for someone. For someone, this could be still confusing right now. You're trying to still connect the pieces because you got too much too early, too soon, too fast, right? Overwhelming, right? So let me tell you one thing. Do you believe that problem in your life, there are sometimes big problems in life. There are sometimes very chota chiller problem in life. So does problem have a varying level in your life? Sometimes big problems, sometimes small problems. Okay, let me show you something interesting. So whatever the problem in your life, let us put it at level 5 on a scale of 1 to 10. Now, when does a problem look very big to us? When our skill levels are low, the problem is humongous, be it your maturity to handle the problem, be your knowledge, be your skills, whatever, right? Any kind of problems that come in your life, if your skill level is low, then the problem, you feel it is a humongous problem. And when does the problems appear small? When your skill levels are beyond the problem. So if you are in 10th grade, 10th grade is tough. But if you are in 10th grade, 5th grade is easy. When you are in 12th grade, 10th is tough. But when you are in 12th, 10th is easy. And today you feel that everything was easy. And you have also evolved in your maturity over years, right? You handle situations better because your skills and maturity have gone up. So problem level remains the same. It is upon your skills that it seems a humongous problem or it feels like a chiller problem. Okay. So look at what are the external skills you need right now. Know-how of the digital world, copywriting skills, digital assets that you need to build, and new age salesmanship, which is influence and conversion. We have been covering that, right? So I want you to rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10. Where will you rate you on your external skill right now? Where will you rate you? How much do you think you have these skills right now? Apsara is saying 8, good. Others? Aditya Anand, yeah, 6. Shama is saying 6. Jay Mishra 8, awesome, super. Okay, great guys, okay. So those of you who are not answering, I want you to reflect upon what is it that you need to acquire right now? What external skills you think you need right now based on what we have discussed? So apart from external skills, you need some internal skills also, like being an action taker, taking fast and quick decisions, identifying and overcoming your fears. Resourcefulness is what you do with what you have. I don't have money, I don't have time, I don't have support. No. How? You don't need money, you need strategies. You just need good enough money. Right? I kept on saying that. Right? So what you do with what you have, and never give up attitude, and most importantly, there should be hunger for growth. I want you to rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 for these internal skills, which is much needed right now. Manjusha is saying 8, Adityanan 1, 2, 3, 9. Okay. Jaya Mishra 10. Awesome. Super, Jaya. Great. So look at what internal skills you need to work upon. Now, do you realize that how urgent it is to get as skilled as possible, as soon as possible? Because this new age world, your income depends on this. Okay. And if you don't do this, you sooner or later, you will be out of business, whatever you are doing. Right? So it's very important that you start preparing, because by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. I am not saying this, Benjamin Franklin had said that. Okay.